Welcome to the Den of Tools.
Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the old Den of Tools, and today it's Deals of the Week. Yeah, every Monday we're going to try doing this Deals of the Week. We may spice up with some other stuff. We are going to be slightly changing the format. We've been doing videos Monday through Thursday with the live stream on Sunday. We're going to move it to Monday and Thursday is going to be Tool Review Day, and the idea is that instead of trying to get out other videos and just fun to watch kind of stuff on Tuesday and Wednesday, I'm going to be concentrating on producing the video for Thursday those days, thus hopefully a higher quality of production for the Thursday video. We shall see, or it'll fall flat on its face and maybe we'll try something else. But we're going to try it through the month of February and see where that gets us and see what you all think. So be sure to comment down below, let me think, you're going to have to wait till after Thursday, or you can just tell me what you think right now. I don't care, no rules, right? Anyway, let's jump into the sales, shall we? All right, and first up on our cavalcade of deals, we're going to stop by Direct Tools. We got a couple deals here from and they're both Ryobi deals. I know, Chalky, you're disappointed, but Ryobi 1 18-volt hybrid drain auger. Now, I believe when they say hybrid here, I mean you can also plug it in. So $89.99. That's a pretty good deal. Factory blemished. And also, and if I'm not mistaken, I think they're offering free shipping on this. I could be wrong. And then also we've got the Ryobi 1 18-volt 6-gallon wet dry vac. So if you're looking for a wet dry vac, specifically a cordless one, this might be the one to pick up, especially if you're in the Ryobi system. Now, over at the Home Depot, we got Milwaukee, their 18-volt brushless cordless deep cut bandsaw with free M18 fuel grinder. This is both tools. The bandsaw there, I mean, Milwaukee makes one of the best portable bandsaws on the market. They make some decent grinders. $2.99 for both. That's a special buy over there. Save 37%. So that's a great deal. Now, moving on, we also have the deals of the day, and they're all black and yellow. They're DeWalt. And I think one of the hottest deals here has got to be this 20-volt lithium-ion cordless compact hammer drill for $99. That's a great deal right there. We can see some of the other deals that they've got. Most of those down there are sold out. Let's see what else. The Atomic here with the circ saw at $169. They make a good multi-tool. I will admit this. I'm not a big fan of DeWalt for a lot of things. I think their batteries are kind of expensive for what you get. That said, they do make a good multi-tool. You get the Atomic 20-volt plus the multi-tool for $169. That's 42% off. All right. Still over at Home Depot, we got back to Milwaukee. This is your portable, emergency tire repair kit here. We got an inflator, a cordless inflator. We got a M12 impact gun, 3/8 impact gun, a set of sockets there, and an extension and a ratchet. So basically, throw this in the back, and you're ready for almost any kind of flat tire situation for $150. If you are a Milwaukee fan, that's a nice little thing. If you got like a truck or camper or something, throw that in there. Can't be too big, I guess, if you're going with a 3/8, M12, but still. And let's see. And lastly, Job Site backpack. This is a good backpack. Anyway, maybe I'll pick this up for one of the Cubs for school. That'd be harder for them to lose, that bright red one. But $64 for anything in the pack-out system for that price is great. It's a great backpack here. And I guess I don't know if it's technically part of their pack-out system. It's a bag. You can pack it. So it's $65. Anyway, over at Ace. Now this is one you're going to have to do some stuff with. So the Ace, they've got the DeWalt right angle drill adapter, or impact adapter, I should say, which if you've got an impact, this thing is great. If you're doing any kind of installation, you're doing cabinetry, you're doing anything you have to crawl around or have tight spaces, you should have one of these just in case. That said, it's listed at $20, but if you join Ace Rewards, they knock $5 off. That takes it down to $15. They got store pickup as well. Don't we all wish Harbor Freight would get on the bandwagon with that? That said, I know a lot of you are like, I don't like to give out my personal information. Are you telling me it's 2020 and you don't have like a burner email that you already set up with I got a whole persona. His name's Steve. He's from Philadelphia. Yeah, no, you got to have a whole, another email kind of thing set up just for this to catch all the spam, the mailings, the sign up things. You should have one. I don't know why you don't. And also over at Dena Tools, look at this. They now offer free shipping. Those guys are great. Oh, wait, that's my site. Well, anyway, look, Dena Tools, Team Tool Bear. We got the die cut stickers for $4.57, the 2-pack of mini stickers for $4.57, and we got, look at this, the shirts. Men's shirts, women's curvy tee, they call it that, not me, that was them. The sweatshirt, all of those, besides the regular sizes. Besides the black bear, we got brown bear, we got grizzly, we got polar bear sizes up to 5X. And that I know a lot of you are saying I've been waiting for you guys to come out with it. We came out with it. There you go. Also, don't forget, you pick up now you get what you pay for. Collector's Platinum Edition thermal containment vessel for only $99.97. Don't call it a 20-ounce tumbler. You know, it's obviously quality because it's more expensive, because you get what you pay for. Anyway, moving on. We're over at Lowe's, the blue box store that's now turning red with Craftsman. But anyway, we're over there. Work Pro. I don't talk enough about Work Pro. I know I need to talk about them more. They usually have some great deals. This is a great setup. Everyone had these little setups going into Christmas. You can find these little screwdriver kind of things. That has a little stand that can sit up in the corner. Work Pro has a great one, and it's on sale 37% off right now through the 7th for $12.48. Now, also over at Lowe's, we've got the Works Pole Saw. Now, this is corded, if I'm not mistaken. It's the corded one, but $40.69 is 59% off. And also for over there, if you're in the Cobalt line, they're doing a deal where if you buy the battery setup, you can get a tool for free. Now, I'm not seeing the full details, but I saw it in store, so you might want to check it out. You get a 2.0 amp hour, a 4.0 amp hour, and the charger there, and then you get a free tool with it. Now we're over on Amazon. Makita's got the interlocking insulated cooler box here. This seems pretty, well, cool, right? It's $43.73. It's 30% off. Holds 12 10-ounce cans, whole 12-pack, thick insulated ceiling straps, and better yet, it connects with Makita's interlocking case. So if you're ready for a party, you know, nobody throws a party like a Makita party because a Makita party don't stop. All right, I'll stop. The bear don't rap. Anyway, also over on Amazon, they've got the DeWalt 20-volt max 7.25-inch miter saw tool only. This is, if not mistaken, it's the cordless one, isn't it? Let me make sure here. I thought this was the cordless, well, 20-volt max, so it's got to be. Yeah, I thought when I saw this, I'm like, well, that's a great deal on cord. Anyway, cordless for $250. If you're looking for a portable miter saw and you're going places where there's no electricity, that's not a bad one to pick up. Also on Amazon, we've got Sins of the Father, the complete trilogy epic fantasy box set, either available on Kindle or audiobooks right now. This is, honestly guys, this is written by a buddy of mine, a great friend, brother, a friend of the channel, and somebody who supported me for years. And if you are into this kind of stuff, you need to go and check out his books. He's got some great books. We got Dead Gods Do, Mad Gods Muse, War Gods Will. He's got a lot. He's been writing profusely. Great stuff. His name's Matt Gilbert. Go check him out. You can get paperback, you can get Kindle, you can get audiobooks. Now this for the epic box set. It's a virtual box, so you can't buy it as a set, or in paperback, but in digital or audiobook you can. Now, over at Woot. Woot's got the Craftsman SAE and Metric Mechanics tool set for $52.99. Now, this is like Sears Craftsman kind of Craftsman. This is not Lowe's Stanley Black & Decker Craftsman. So, the lifetime warranty, yeah, you should be able to get lifetime warranty on this even when Sears burns to the ground. So, I wouldn't be too worried about it because you're still going to be able to get stuff like this from Stanley Black & Decker. There's nothing here that's proprietary. So $52.99 is 47% off list. Now, also on Amazon, let's have some fun. We got the MagTorch MT5000 high output weed burner, not a flamethrower. Okay, this is a weed burner. Let's not go crazy. Now, if you say you need something small and more portable, we got its little buddy here, the Trenton Gifts propane torch for weed killing, de-icing, and small flamethrower. Okay, so maybe it's a little bit of a flamethrower. Just don't call me when you burn down the wife's she-shit, all right? It's not my fault. Don't blame the bear. All right, now we're over at Walmart. I got to talk about this at Walmart. So Walmart, we know, has partnered with TTI for Heart, and they've been rolling in all this Heart stuff. Plus, they have their own brand with the Hyper Tough. So we got the Hyper Tough hand tools. We got the Heart hand tools moving in as well. We got cabinets for both moving in. Guess what's moving out? Stanley. I'm getting report after report that all the Stanley stuff at Walmart is showing up marked down in clearance. So Stanley has some decent stuff, some good entry level stuff. They have some good tape measures and all sorts of stuff, good pry bars. There's a lot of good stuff over there. Maybe you might want to take a run. I know a lot of you are like, I would never buy tools at Walmart. Yeah, that's just silly kind of thinking. If they've got the stuff you need at a good price, then why not? You can get it warranted anywhere. You just call up Stanley and they'll deal with you. So a bunch of Stanley stuff. We got the 6-piece control grip screwdriver for $11.77. Remember the holes in there. That's not for hanging up. That's for using another screwdriver on it so you can get more torque on it. Next up, we've got the Stanley 5-drawer rolling tool chest and cabinet. Now this is going to be what we call your mileage may vary. Some stores don't have this on clearance. Some of them do. Some are out of stock. But I'm getting reports of $55 on this. The cheapest I've ever seen a setup like this is $100. I might have to go pick one. I've been promising the Cubs their own cabinet. They keep trying to take my Icon cabinet, but that ain't happening. And the Heart right angle drill attachment. Now this is $14.97, but people were telling me that it's on sale in store for $10. And this is made by TTI, remember that. So it's, I can't really talk about the quality of it. I've never used it. I've never even held it. But some people have picked it up. They said it was pretty decent, that it felt solid, and that it wasn't just all plastic and everything. And at $10, that's something I'd be willing to try. All right, remember in the past how we talked about the concept of your mileage may vary? And what that means is it's going to be in some stores, not in others. You may be able to get it. You might not be able to get it. So here we've got the Echo 58-volt lithium brushless cordless string trimmer for, it's going for, I think it was something like $58, okay? Now here's the problem with Home Depot. They won't show prices on BrickSeek. They'll only show that it's on clearance. But if it's on clearance, you know it's not the list price. So you come down here, and in my area, there's only one store that has it. They have 3 of them, but it is marked on clearance. Another clearance item we got is over at Home Depot is the Ryobi 40-volt brushless lithium cordless self-propelled mower with 5-amp battery and charger. It's listed at $360 on Amazon. I think it's right now $300. Some stores are reporting it down to $250. This is one of the nicer Ryobi mowers. Again, and if you look at this one, they're in a lot of stores, at least in my area. I don't know about your area. You might want to call the store and check, see if it's a long trek. If it's just down the block, maybe take time to stop in and see if that price matches up. Also, Stanley. This is at Walmart right now. We've got the Stanley Black & Decker. It's showing up for $68 at Walmart. This is their 10-gallon wet dry vac. We've got, remember I told you the Stanley stuff is showing up cheap, right? We got a Stanley Work Center showing up for $28.74. This is their little portable, their version of a pack-out system. But it's a nice way to store. If you got a small shop, you need to load some stuff up or take some stuff with you, it's a great way to do it. We got the Cobalt screwdriver set, 20-piece plastic handle, magnetic. Now this one is, let's see, it's showing up on Amazon at $29.99. Let's see what it's showing up in store. All right, in my area, it's out of stock, but it looks like the discount is taking it down to 50%. And then lastly, we've got the Cobalt 6-piece 24-volt max brushless power tool combo kit with soft case charger, including 2 batteries. You got a lot of tools. This is a great starter set, or if you're looking to up your game from like a Black & Decker or something into something with more power, more reliability, you can get more jobs done. This is the set to go with. By the way, that one-hand recip saw, a Concord Carpenter just did a whole test of recip saws, and it kicked the butt out of saws that were almost twice its price. So there's some great tools over there in the Cobalt line, and it's currently looks like $269, 40% off for the entire set. Don't forget, I'm going to have links to all of this down below. All right, there you go. That's your deals of the week. Don't forget to check out the Den of Gadgets every Sunday. Every Saturday we got a new video there doing reviews on electronics and all sorts of techie kind of stuff, as well as we're gonna be talking about some YouTube kind of stuff and podcasting and whatnot. Also, Geek Health, my daily podcast where I talk about losing weight, getting fit. I'm doing keto plus 1 meal a day. I'm into my second month now, down 33 and a half pounds. So, and at least 2 inches. It's so nice. Anyway, it's killing it. It's so easy doing the 1 meal a day thing. I don't know why I didn't hear or think of this sometime sooner, but it's great. Anyway, also, lastly, don't forget to join us for the live stream every Sunday at 6 p.m. Pacific. Great fun, great time to hang out with the dancing moderators, Joe Smith and the guys and the gals over there. It's a great time. Hope you all join us. And lastly, don't forget to chomp that like button. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's just like that. Anyway, you all take care. God bless. And as always, say it with me. Shine on.